Good day, everybody. Today's journey brings us to the Tai Dam Museum House. It's in Chiang Khan in the Loei province. This place has over 100 years of history that throughout the video we're going to share. There's different Tai Dam cultures, and women are working on making different items here for the souvenir shop. The Tai Dam people exiled to this location from Laos in 1882 during the Indochina War. This is a cultural village and there's a lot of history. I wasn't able to keep the audio going when I was there filming, but in this stairway it shows here is where the women had to enter in the back of the house, and it enters into the kitchen. On the other end down here where I'm walking to now is the front of the house, and the men would enter in through this end of the house, which went into the bedrooms and living room. And it shows you a sign right there that shows men. Only men can come in this side. Even if you're a tourist and go in there to visit, they suggest the men come in this side and the women go on the other side. It's just accepted practice. So these people, when they exiled here, they started building all of this, and it's really nice, as you'll see throughout the video as I walk you around it. And I also fly the drone at points, so you'll see that. Rickety old wooden stairs coming up here. This is the male entrance into the building. You see this is a bedroom area. This is the authentic old style when they first exiled here from Vietnam during the war. This is another bedroom area. Some of the old antique tools and weapons. Okay, this is the daughter's bedroom, it says. Oh, I see some of the weaving tools right here. I wouldn't have known that had I not gone to the Thai silk weaving facility. This is just a small hand version. And this is the women's entrance over here. And the restroom. And a little balcony. So, in what I was reading, it said the women enter into the kitchen area. So, I really can't tell where the kitchen area would be unless they were cooking outside, which a lot of the Thai people cook outside.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name. Grass is green and so alive. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lions gone and come. The birds have just begun. Yeah, yeah. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone.
How cute. Okay, I got a clarification. The little wooden stick she's making is to make this mobile that she's doing. And when they're complete, they look like those bigger ones that are up there hanging.